So what's up, my people? Super is speaking here once again with another update. So look at here, right here on my screen is my payment proof of $10.58. This particular payment was received few hours ago. That was yesterday at 14:10. That is Nigerian time 14:10. So this payment was completed, and this is received from an old update that I've been sharing to you guys on this particular platform for a bit of long time now, and I'm gonna show it to you guys again for those of you that are new to it, and for those of you that have not joined it, or maybe you have heard about it but you're not joining it, for you to see what you're missing. Hop in with me. The update is no other one but this NFT. Look at it. Look at over here. I've withdrawn $10.55. That is the one that I showed you guys, and I've been withdrawing $13.70, $11, $6, $7, $7.22, and so on and so forth, guys. And as you can see, if you check the details, the payment was completed. As you can see, it's covered. It was completed. So I just want to show you guys my payment proof first, and then let's go over to how to earn on the platform. Earning on this platform is very simple. All you have to do is to first of all use your email address to sign up to this particular platform. As you can see, I'm using my email address zubifrancis1@gmail.com to sign up to this particular platform. And the next thing you have to do is to make sure that you verify your real name, add your Google key, and then link your wallet address. It's very simple. You can watch the video in the first comment for more details on how to do it. I just want to show you guys. I don't want this video to be long. I just want to show you guys what I've been earning from it so far and everything. And look at this. This is my collection here, where I buy NFT. This particular project is where you buy NFT, and within a short period of time, the NFT will keep on increasing money for you until it reach a good amount of gain, so that once you sell it and withdraw, you will get gain, and you can sell your NFT anytime, any day. As you can see, I can easily click on this place that says sell, and then sell up this NFT instantly. But I don't want to sell it now because it's not giving me enough USDT that I need. I just bought the NFT a few days ago. So you can also go to the market and buy any NFT of your choice, and it will keep increasing around 2.2% to 2% every single day, and within a short period of time you can make a very good amount of money from it. Can you imagine? If you use around $100 to it, maybe you bought 2 NFT every day, you're gonna be increasing with 2.2%. That is $2.2. If you keep it for complete 60 days, it's gonna give you if you keep it for complete 1 month, that is 30 days, it's gonna give you extra 60 USDT for free without doing anything. All you have to do is to buy an NFT and keep it. It will keep increasing money for you. And why I love this particular platform is that the NFT is not gonna fall. The price of the NFT is not gonna fall down. That is one sweet thing about it. The price of the NFT is not in any way gonna fall down any day, anytime. So that is one thing about it. And also, you can also go over to your account and make sure you sign in every single day. If you click on this place that says sign in now, you see that I can easily click. I have already checked in for yesterday, and today's time has not reached. So once you sign in up to 26 days, they're gonna reward you with 5 USDT, which you can easily use to buy an NFT, or you can withdraw it to your balance. And talking about withdrawal, minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT, and it's gonna be processed as soon as possible. It's very simple. What you need to do is to click on this place that says withdraw, and then enter your minimum the withdrawal. Minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. Enter it and then withdraw. So the next thing you have to find out about this platform is that they have been there for a very long time, and it's a long-term platform. I assure you guys this thing. It's a long-term platform, but bear it in mind that this weekend is not in any way financial. I'm just sharing this video today to show you guys what you can earn and what you are missing about NFT. Making money from it, you can also make money, and also you can also make money from referrals. So though their referral bonus is not that sweet, but at least it's very good. It's so good. So if you go over to this particular place now, I called Team, you see that I have made around $49 for referring 424 people that deposited almost 22,000 USDT. As you can see, almost 2,000 USDT gave me only $49. I'm not bad. I don't feel bad about it. That's good. That's cool. That's extra worth any money. So you can also check that one and start making money as others are making money. So that is how to use that particular platform. If you want to know more ways on how to use it and how to make money with it, how previously I have made money from it, you can check out the video in the first comment for more details on it. And as you can see, that's for now. See you guys on my next video. Bye.